Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope you're having a great day so far, because today we are shopping back at Costco, but I'm here in the San Diego location on Friars Road. There's IKEA here as well, and of course, I always love checking out different Costcos, looking for items I've never seen before, some great deals, and let's get started with the Atami Power Cube. It's a pack of 2. So you have 3 AC outlets, you have a USB-C port, and then 2 of the USB ports. And I like that you could open it up and you could see it. And I like the demonstration. So this is actually really nice. I'm not sure about the price point. It's $37.99 for 2 of them. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that's a good price for this one? Now, there are still quite a few holiday items here. I'm really surprised. $16.99 for the Squishmallow ornaments, the gingerbread house. I haven't seen this in some time. I have this one. I absolutely love it. We have it in front of our fireplace. It's so pretty, and you could turn it on. It lights up. It has music, and you could control the volume of the music. You could have it loud or just no music at all. $79.97. That was normally $100. And the ice tree, they still have a lot of these. These are 7 feet tall. I think it's really pretty. It's one of the first holiday items we saw in the store, even without the lights on. $79.97. It was normally $130. Now, they still have Christmas trees, believe it or not. They have 2 sizes, 7.5 feet and even the 9 feet tall trees. And these are really good quality trees, but the price, the clearance price is unbelievable. $299.97. Now, that is actually a really great price because the regular price was $480. And even the 9 feet, I cannot believe how many boxes they still have of the 9-foot tree. And these are really great trees. They light up so well. They're so easy to put together, and they fluff. You don't have to worry about spending all day trying to fluff them out. They do it naturally. So this is $399.97. Normally that was $680. And everybody, again, thank you so much for all of your support and for coming along to Costco with me today. And if you're new here and you love to shop, well, please hit that subscribe button and join us, and let's continue on. The God of Fortune, a set of 5. Those are a really good size. Now, the display, there's only 4 of them, but there's actually 5 in this set. $39.99, indoor use only. Now, this is actually a really great gift idea. Is the Cuisinart. This is that hot air popcorn machine. $19.97. It's a clearance price. It's really pretty. I really think that is a really nice gift. And the price is unbelievable. And yeah, if you're looking for gifts under $20, this is definitely one. Here's another one, especially for somebody who likes to cook. This is the Cook and Serve, the ramekin set, 8 pieces for $6.97. It's a clearance price. And so if you can find those, definitely grab a set. Okay, how nice are these? These are beautiful. They're called Lazy Pants. And honestly, I would love to relax in these. They feel super soft. So how can you not relax? Wow, I like these. There's no drawstring waist, which is great. And you have 2 pockets in the front. I mean, look at the legs all the way inside. Oh, these are just absolutely gorgeous. So you have purple. You also have them in black. I would want both pairs. I mean, both of them. Those are really, really beautiful. They're $19.99 each. So not too bad of a price, especially for the velour material. Super soft. Now the sizes are small all the way up to X large. So normally we see like XX large, and I'm going to check online to see if I can find these at Costco.com. I'll keep you posted. Now, how cute are these? They always like to add like a little festive, and if you don't want them festive, you don't have to. So they have both of them, $16.99, but those are so tasty. And the hams. Now, I haven't seen hams at my local stores for probably a couple of weeks now. This is a lot. I haven't seen this much since before Thanksgiving. $3.39 per pound. Of course, this is a spiral cut ham. All you have to do is just cook it. $30.92. So that's about the average price. Oh, we found some lobster tails here. So it's a package. It looks like there's about an average of 6. Couple of them have more or less. Really depends on the weight. So $24.99 per pound. So it looks like an average of 6. Now this one is $43.98. They're actually a pretty decent size. Now I would cook lobster like this. I would never cook a live lobster. I just can't do it. But those, yes. And it's good price because in the restaurant, seriously, even the crab, the king crab legs, $30 a pound. These could get really expensive in a restaurant. So if you want to make it yourself, you're going to save a lot of money. Now the chicken marsala, Costco has had this in the past. I wasn't the hugest fan of it. And I'm hoping my local store will get this because I would like to try it again because I really do like chicken marsala. $14.99, and that is for the whole package. Now, Kevin's, this is the roasted garlic chicken. These, all you have to do is heat these up. Some of these are hits and misses. And so $13.99, and that is for the whole container. And let me know if you've tried this one, you know, what you think, and any of the items that we showed today. The hummus. Now, spicy pepper hummus is probably one of my favorites. This is a good size container. I hope to see something like this at my store. I see like the regular hummus, and the spicy pepper just has a nice little kick to it. Or the red pepper is one of my favorites as well. But again, this is such a good size. How much is in there? Yeah, 32 ounces, $5.60. Oh, the tiramisu is back. Now, on sale as well, $8.99, and that's till the 25th of December. Now, of course, Costco is closed on the 25th. And the caviar, they have that here. If you have tried this one, I really like to know, is this good? I've only had caviar like twice before. $54.99. Yeah, caviar is not cheap. And the Febreze, the pack of 6, the small spaces, $9.97. That is a really good price. Now, the Kirkland Ultra Fresh, I have not seen this one. A spring fresh scent. Interesting. So it's about 45.9 ounces for $13.99. Is it comparable to this one, the April Fresh? Now, this is on sale for $14.39, but 34 ounces. And the pet beds. Okay, this is huge. Okay, 48 inches, 48 or 46. I'll double check here. But these are massive pet beds. Yeah, if you have dogs like Great Danes, Saint Bernard, you know, Labs, you know, all the large dogs, this is going to be a really good size for them. Or even multiple dogs if they like to, you know, all sleep together. Now, the nice thing about it, again, you could take it off and wash it. That's always a plus. But $50 for this size, yeah, 46 by 36. That is such a good price. Oh, these will sell pretty fast. Yeah, for that large of a pet bed, that is a really good price, and it's super soft. The French onion soup. Now, it's on clearance here for $6.97. Still regular price at my store, but 6 of them for that price, that is a really great deal. And oh, what is this? Okay, I know exactly what this is. A viewer actually sent me a link to this one, asking if I've seen it, and I finally have. Lobster stuffed shrimp. Yeah, $23.99. It's got 12 pieces in there, so yeah, a little bit on the higher price. If you have tried this, let me know in the comments below what you think. It looks good. What a great idea. I haven't seen these yet at my local Costco's, the Chilean sea bass. These actually look really good. This has got a good price. You can see they're individually wrapped as well at $45.99. Not too bad of a price at all. Okay, I don't know if you could tell. These are massive size wine bottles. I mean, these are not little at all. These are huge. It's kind of cool because sometimes you just see like one. No, there are several of them. So this is $50. Is it good wine? That is definitely the question. If you've tried any of those, yes, I would love to hear. And that is a lot of wine. So if you need a huge, massive bottle of wine, now of course we're here in California, our Costco sells liquor, but there's even more. I just kind of went around the corner. There's even more. These are so huge. They're actually kind of cool. Yeah, a little bit of a large price, but those are large bottles. And oh, this is a nice collection. Yeah, this time of year, there's really some nice collections of wine. I'm not the hugest wine drinker because the sulfates affect me. Now that's $49.97, but for that many bottles, wow. And then right here we have our sparkling wine, or the Brut actually. And so there's 3 of them in here. We see different ones at different stores. So this one is actually really interesting. $49.99 for that one. And they have lots of poinsettias. So if you are still needing some, yeah, Costco, every Costco I go into still has a lot. Okay, so Monday I did a video. I'm showing some of the clothes. I did pick up this sweater and sadly I'm gonna have to return it. I put it on and about 2 minutes later I was super itchy. I really liked the look of it and I was kind of hoping it would work out because I really wanted the other 2 as well, but it was just a little too itchy for me. I do have sensitive skin. $16.99, but hey, if it's not itchy for you, just definitely, you know, try it on, keep the tags on just in case. Oh, now these are nice. I haven't seen these before. Now this is more of a sweater dress. Now these do feel super soft. We have it in cream and in burgundy. Oh, and in black. Now I would love all 3. Oh, that is actually really nice. And so, of course, they're above the knee, and the sizes, they range from small all the way to XX large. But again, I haven't seen these at my local store. So only till the 13th today, $17.99. Now, the chocolate Yule log cake. Okay, I was wondering if they were going to bring this back. I haven't seen these at my store. I really hope that we get them because these were so fun last year. It was actually pretty decent as well. I can't remember if this is the same company. I may have to look at some old footage to kind of do some comparison. But yeah, the chocolate Yule log cake, what a great tradition if you want to bring one to a party. These are always so fun. And definitely, yeah, be careful. But I mean, it's not the hugest cake, which is great. So if you don't want a lot of cake, this is such a perfect little size. And $12.99, not a bad price at all. Now the ghee, we do see this at other stores, and this is a really good product, $24.99. But here's something I haven't seen before: the ghee cooking spray. That is really interesting. It's lactose free and keto friendly, so you're getting 2 of them because sometimes ghee could get really expensive at times. But if you tried that, yeah, I want to know. $12.99. I'm really tempted to pick that up. Now, here's something I have not seen at Costco. So this is the hair regrowth treatment for men. And now this is 6 months supply. I'm always curious if these products do work. It's $49.99. It doesn't seem like too bad of a price, but I don't know. Do you just use this for 6 months? Do they have to use this for the rest of their lives? But very interesting. The dark chocolate variety. Now, I haven't seen these at my store for quite some time. They were okay. $9 here. So they're moving those out. And that dark chocolate sea salt, the snappers. This is a caramel and pretzel, the little clusters. And these are actually pretty decent. I had a sample before, but the price of these are on clearance and they're not expiring anytime soon, October of next year. And I have family members who always love these kind of treats. $5.97, not a bad price at all. And oh, how cute are the bumper cars. Now there were 2 different sizes. This is the small one. This is $100. There was a large one in red, and that one, yeah, these sold out so fast. So I don't know if they just got these back or, you know, how's it going in this store? But yeah, this store has them for $100. There it is up there. There's a lot of really great items for the kids still. So if you're still shopping for the holidays or birthdays, definitely check out some of these items. I mean, this one, the longboard, $57.99. And I know some of these skateboards could get really pricey. It has a good grip on top of it. So this is not smooth. It feels like sandpaper, but you want that so you know, your feet grip on there because the last thing you want to do is slip off of it. $57.99 for a longboard like that. This is actually not a bad price at all here. And the Davids, oh, these are actually really tasty. These sold out of my area pretty fast when they went on sale. So $11.99 is a good size container. And even these, the Ritter Sports, now these were normally $14.99. They're actually right now at this store, and I think probably it's other stores because I haven't seen them at my local stores. They're on sale for $10, but these are so tasty. The chocolate mousse, the double caramel, and the whole hazelnut. The whole hazelnut is my favorite, and the container is so adorable. But what a great price till the 24th. And everybody, thank you so much for coming along to Costco with me today. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.